Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Car Expert, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today, we are diving into the pinnacle of hypercar engineering, the Koenigsegg Jesko. Named after Christian von Koenigsegg's father, the Jesko represents speed, precision, and innovation at their finest. Let's explore why the Koenigsegg Jesko is a dream car for enthusiasts and collectors alike, and how it fits the Indian market. Body. Exterior design. The Koenigsegg Jesko is a marvel of aerodynamics, built for extreme performance and unmatched aesthetics. The hypercar features an ultralight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, ensuring strength and minimal weight. The front end boasts a sharp, aggressive design with a low-slung profile, complete with LED headlamps and large air intakes for optimal cooling. Its standout feature is the massive active rear wing, which generates over 1,400 kilograms of downforce, providing exceptional stability at high speeds. The Jesko rides on lightweight 20-inch front and 21-inch rear alloy wheels, wrapped in specially developed Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires for maximum grip. The scissor doors add a dramatic flair, perfectly complementing its hypercar status. With its aerodynamic excellence and stunning visuals, the Jesko is a masterpiece of design. Safety and build quality. While speed is its forte, the Jesko doesn't compromise on safety or build quality. Its carbon fiber monocoque chassis provides unmatched strength while keeping the car lightweight. Safety features include traction control, ABS, and advanced stability systems tailored for high-performance driving. The Jesko's build quality meets Koenigsegg's rigorous standards, ensuring durability even under extreme conditions. With its uncompromising safety standards, the Jesko inspires confidence at every speed. Price and exclusivity. The Koenigsegg Jesko is a rare gem, with limited production ensuring its exclusivity. The expected price in India is around 25 Indian rupees crore, ex-showroom, making it one of the most expensive hypercars in the market. With only 125 units produced globally, owning a Jesko is a privilege reserved for the elite. With its exclusivity and astronomical performance, the Jesko is a symbol of prestige. Outro. So, what do you think of the Koenigsegg Jesko? With its jaw-dropping design, record-breaking speed, luxurious interiors, and advanced technology, it's a hypercar that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're a collector or a performance enthusiast, the Jesko is a dream car for the ages. Let us know in the comments if the Koenigsegg Jesko is your ultimate hypercar. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.